blockchain has gone from being a niche idea to a groundbreaking force that's set to revolutionize industries across the globe. But what exactly is blockchain and why should it be on your radar? In today's deep dive, I'm going to be breaking down the core of blockchain technology, reveal how it operates, and uncover the game-changing impact that it's already having in sectors ranging from finance to healthcare and beyond. Hello, everyone. I'm Michael Kinnett. I'm CEO and founder of iTernal Networks. And here at iTernal Networks, we believe in empowering people with the knowledge that they need to succeed. So every Friday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, I go live on all of our social pages to discuss different educational, technology, and cybersecurity topics that are really designed to empower further business owners and entrepreneurs and anybody really in general. And these live streams aim to help you feel more confident in your knowledge about business technology and cybersecurity. At iTernal Networks, we're dedicated to creating safe and secure environments for people to do what they love and to thrive. And staying educated on technology is a big part of that. At the end of the live stream, I'll make sure to have some time to answer questions from the audience. So if you've got any questions, throw them in the comments at any point in time, and I'll see those at the end. And now on to our discussion, blockchain. This is something that's been discussed for several years now. This is nothing new, but it's something that, as I talk to people, there's a lot of confusion and not really knowing what blockchain is. So hopefully this is helpful for that. Blockchain can be envisioned as a highly secure digital ledger that's distributed across a network, enabling multiple participants to access and verify data simultaneously. Unlike traditional databases that store information in one centralized location, blockchain duplicates this ledger across a multitude of computers, ensuring data integrity and security. This decentralization makes it nearly impossible to manipulate or alter any of the information in it without consensus from the entire network, providing a robust safeguard against fraud and fostering trust among users. So let's talk a little bit about how this works, how blockchain functions. Consider a business ledger that records transactions. Each transaction is independently written by numerous participants, creating a block when a record page fills up. This block, once validated, is then appended to a chronological chain of earlier blocks. See where we're on blockchain here? Well, the result is a secure, tamper-evident record that stands indelible and immutable. Changes to past records are instantly detectable by everyone on the network, a facet that ensures the durability and reliability of the blockchain data. Some of the key features of blockchain that you should be aware of. Linked blocks. Each block connects to its predecessor, forming an uninterrupted chronological chain of blocks that upholds the integrity of transaction records. Every block's unique hash, trying to think of a layman's terms to use this, it's a cryptographic hash. Essentially, it's a fingerprint of that block, and it's unique to each block. That ensures that unauthorized alterations are quickly evident because that fingerprint or that cryptographic hash would change. So this then preserves the block's authenticity because everybody knows what the fingerprint's supposed to be and can verify that. There's also consensus mechanisms built into the blockchain where a distributed network of nodes each verify transactions, enhancing fairness and preventing fraud throughout the chain. Universal access to the same data is across the network, which removes data opacity and it bolsters confidence in the transaction and the data that's happening. This also results in decentralization, right? When operated across global computer networks, blockchain reduces risks that are tied to single point failures. Because that blockchain exists on lots of computers in lots of locations, If one location goes offline or a system fails, it doesn't affect all of the other locations and systems. They're still able to function completely without those single point failures. Blockchain technology precludes the need for central oversight, also by leveraging encryption, network collaboration, and consensus for secure transaction processing across the entire thing. So here's another kind of a breakdown of maybe a little more simplified breakdown of what the process looks like. First, a transaction needs to be initiated, whether financial exchanges, contracts, data exchanges, whatever that transaction looks like, right? That transaction needs to be initiated, where its data is exchanged and grouped into a block. Next, there's a verification process where a network of nodes, so think of multiple different systems that are part of that blockchain network, verify each block's legitimacy using some advanced algorithms where they look at that cryptographic hash, that fingerprint, and they communicate with each other and say, hey, is this what we expect to see? And they verify that block is legitimate, and then they can move forward to the next step, which is consensus. Typically, networks use proof of work, or which is a computational puzzle-solving approach, or proof of stake, which is a more energy-efficient alternative relying on cryptocurrency ownership. So they essentially follow this process where they then come to consensus that the information has been validated with each other. The next step is they add the data to the blockchain. Verified blocks are then allocated a distinct cryptographic hash and integrated into that chain, which leads to finalization, the final step, right, where the transaction is then engraved into the blockchain, rendering it visible and immutable to all network members. All right, hopefully your head's not spinning too much. And that makes a little bit more sense on the name and kind of the process that goes on in the background, right? So what does that mean to you? Various different industries are adapting blockchain, and it's started out with cryptocurrency, but it's progressing far beyond cryptocurrency, which is driving innovations in fields like supply chain management, where blockchain can ensure that each supply chain phase is meticulously documented, heightening product transparency and preventing fraud. Financial transactions, similar to cryptocurrency, it's moving into other sections of the financial sector, which streamlines the process by identifying secure, efficient mechanisms for digital exchange and transfers of finances. Smart contracts are being automated by embedding contract terms within a blockchain code, which then minimize third-party intervention in that contract formation. Also, cybersecurity and data protection has been enhanced, protecting sensitive information and thwarting unauthorized access through the use of blockchain. Healthcare is also implementing blockchain to secure patient records, guarantee privacy, and hinder prescription fraud. And real estate and elections are also both implementing forms of blockchain where they're streamlining their transactional processes and reducing potential for fraud and elevating reliability within their systems. And so we're seeing blockchain used in more and more different systems to better secure and authenticate and prevent fraud and streamline transactional processes in various different industries. It's really fascinating to see everything that's happening. Blockchain's unique structure allows it to function as a highly secure digital ledger distributed across the network. And that network can be local, that can be global, right? For simultaneous data access and verification by multiple participants, which, as I mentioned, right, it duplicates that ledger across all of those systems, providing better security, preventing unauthorized information manipulation, and enhancing trust. So it's pretty cool. You can tell I'm passionate about discussing technology innovations like blockchain and other things and the potential benefits that can come from them. There's a link that's coming up on the screen that'll be posted in the chat if you want to reach out directly with me and talk about blockchain or any other technology or cybersecurity. I love talking with other entrepreneurs, other business owners, and really anybody in general that wants to chat about technology. I love going to conferences and meeting my peers and geeking out, I guess is a way of putting it, and talking about these type of things. So additionally, we're going to share the video transcript in a blog format. So be sure to check that out to dive deeper into blockchain's transformative power. Let me check and see if anybody has questions from our live viewers. I don't see any questions today. So if you do have any questions after the fact, throw them in the comments. I'll get notified. My team will see those and let me know, and we will answer your questions and respond. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or thoughts you might have, because we really look for that feedback to help us to create more content that's valuable to you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any other updates that we have. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to help you navigate the world of technology and cybersecurity. If you need any further assistance, please reach out via direct message, call our office, visit our website, itnet.works. Any of those methods works. Hope that your year is going well, and we'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye.